Welcome. In this video, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to set your Telegram account to automatically delete itself if you're inactive for 3 months on the desktop app. This is a useful feature when you want to make sure your information doesn't stay online if you stop using the platform. The process is quick and simple, and I'll walk you through it so you can get it done in just a couple of minutes. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that to open the main menu. From the menu list, find and click on Settings. Inside the Settings section, you'll notice several options for customizing your account. What we're looking for is Privacy and Security, so click there to move on. Inside Privacy and Security, you'll need to scroll down until you reach the section labeled Delete My Account. Right under that option, you'll see If Away For. This is the feature that controls how long your account will remain before automatically deleting itself if you stop using Telegram. Click on If Away For. A list of time options will appear, such as 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and a year. Since you want your account to delete after 3 months of inactivity, select 3 months from the list. After making your selection, don't forget the final step, which is to click Save. This will make sure your choice is locked in and your account will now be set to automatically delete itself if you don't log in for 3 months straight. That's all it takes. You've now successfully updated your account settings and can feel confident knowing that your data won't remain indefinitely if you ever stop using the app. Thanks for watching. Thanks for